American.
Where are your manners?
Standard British.
Where are your manners?
Devonshire.
Where are your manners?
German.
Where are your manners?
Scottish.
Where are your manners?
Geordie.
Where are your manners?
Brummie.
Where are your manners?
Yorkshire.
Where are your manners?
Scouse.
Where are your manners?
Irish.
Where are your manners?
Russian.
Where are your manners? Say please.
Cockney.
Babes, where's your manners? Like, you know.
South African.
Where are your manners? You've got to be more polite.
Northern Irish.
Where are your manners? Come on now.
New Zealand.
Where are your manners? Were you born in a field?
British RP.
Where are your manners? Goodness.
New York.
Come on, where are your manners? Behave yourself.
Australian.
Where are your manners? This is ridiculous.
Welsh.
Where are your manners?
French.
Where are your manners? This is so rude.
Southern.
Where are your manners, honey?
Jamaican.
Where are your manners?
West Country.
Where are your manners? That's just rude.
Spanish.
Where are your manners? Terrible.
Canadian.
Where are your manners?
Dutch.
Where are your manners? Come on now.